What if your job is already obsolete and you just don't know it yet? It's a chilling thought, but for millions around the world, it's becoming a reality. This isn't about robots on an assembly line. This is about the silent revolution happening right now, powered by artificial intelligence. It's an invisible force reshaping our world, our careers, and the very concept of wealth. Forget what you think you know about the future of work. The future is already here and it's running on algorithms. These algorithms aren't just suggesting your next movie on Netflix. They're making decisions that used to require years of human expertise. They're analyzing medical scans with superhuman accuracy, writing complex legal documents in seconds, and managing billion-dollar investment portfolios without ever taking a coffee break. Jobs that were once considered safe lawyers, accountants, radiologists, software developers are now standing on the front lines of an unprecedented wave of automation. So who wins in this new AI-driven economy? The answer is simple: those who own the algorithms. A new class of economic power is emerging, a small group of tech giants and investors who control the intelligent systems that are rapidly becoming the backbone of global commerce. As these systems automate high-skilled labor, they don't just eliminate jobs. They reallocate capital on a massive scale. Wealth that once flowed to a broad middle class of professionals is now being consolidated, funneled towards the owners of the AI. Think of it like this: in the old economy, your value was based on your skills and your labor. In the new economy, value is increasingly determined by data and the code that processes it. If you're a creative professional, AI can now generate art, music, and text that rivals human creativity. If you're a financial analyst, AI can predict market trends faster and more accurately than any team of experts. This isn't a gradual shift, it's an economic earthquake, and the aftershocks are redefining who gets left behind. The losers are not just those whose jobs are directly replaced. The ripple effect is far wider. As high-paying jobs become automated, the downward pressure on wages affects everyone. The gap between the ultra-rich and the rest of us widens, creating a new financial hierarchy where economic mobility becomes a distant dream. The traditional path to success, get a degree, land a good job, build a career, is being dismantled piece by piece. We are facing a future where your economic survival might not depend on what you know, but on what you own. This isn't a distant, dystopian fantasy. It is the urgent, economic reality of our time. The AI revolution is not waiting for us to catch up. It's happening now, quietly rewriting the rules of money, power, and survival. The critical question we all need to ask ourselves is no longer, will a robot take my job? It's, how will I survive in a world where my job no longer exists? The time to find that answer is running out. This is the new economic order. Are you prepared for it? Thanks for watching. If this video opened your eyes, subscribe for more deep dives into the forces shaping our world.